You see these reflections in here? How we've got people across the street, and there's that really sort of old 60% off sign. I'm gonna wait for people to kind of enter that space.
It's the world today that nudges us to just do it, and do it quickly.
I'm just finding something intriguing about the hardwood floor. There's that bicycle in the distance, and then that bold red sign. So I'm just gonna wait around for a little and see what I do.
Gives me even more reason to slow down, to contemplate ideas, imagine possibilities, even before the clicking of the shutter. So I say, the next time you're out making photographs, stop and dig deeper in search of the image.